Hello and welcome back to Scriptcase by Jamie. That is me. I am showing you how fast and easy it is in this series of videos to create applications within the Scriptcase environment. It is so easy, so fast, and you just won't believe it how easy it really is. So in this video, we are going to go ahead and create the calendar application. So I just choose here the calendar application, select then a table if I have one. If I don't have one, I just choose to create a new table, and Scriptcase will create the table within the database for me. I don't have to worry about that. I can also choose the localization, which is of course English in my case, and just as simple as that, click then the create button and we have a fully functional calendar application, and in record time it has been created, generated, and is available for you. Now, as you see, you have all the typical features and functionality available to you in this. It is pretty mind-blowing and all in record time. So do check it out, and of course come join me at Scriptcase by Jamie and learn much more about Scriptcase, how you can create platforms in record time.